Sure.
Who would fit in there?
Jason! No! No, he's gone! He's gone! He's gone!
What's it say? Oh my God, look at the mirror.
No!
No, he's gone. No, not like this. Not like this. Not a ghost of BBM just took Jason. Oh, where's his voice coming from? Oh, fuck no.
I'm stuck!
Explain this to me.
I'm stuck!
I can see that.
Bro, somebody put me in here!
Nobody put you in a washing machine, Jason.
Bro, somebody... Bro, I need help!
Bro,
Somebody help me, please!
bro, yo, Jason.
Somebody help!
Get out of the washing machine.
Bro, I need help!